Merong 7 reason kung bakit may mga organizations na stuck at unable to adapt to the changes, unable to innovate, grow, and thrive. Ito ay ayon sa 7 learning disabilities of organizations na isinulat ni Peter Senge sa kanyang libro na The Fifth Discipline. And what I would like to do with this video and the following videos is create a series that deep dive into those 7 learning disabilities, show some examples, and discuss some lessons that you can adapt as you facilitate changes and growth in your organization. So today, I'll just go over all of them so that you have something to look forward to learning. Una, I am my position. This learning disability happens when people are too focused on their job description and not much else, when organizations are siloed. Second is the enemy is out there. Blaming actually hinders innovation. So when you're blaming, you're not solving problems, you're not changing because you're a victim. Next is number 3, the illusion of taking charge. Sometimes leaders or managers act too quickly on the problem even before they understand it, and that hinders opportunity for learning. Number 4, fixation on events. This happens when managers choose quick solutions versus long-term solutions. Number 5, the parable of the boiled frog. So alam natin yung kwento ng boiling frog syndrome. That's when we fail to recognize that things are changing gradually or slowly, na pagka napansin natin, sobrang laki na ng change at fatal na yung kanyang effect. Number 6, delusion of learning from experience. Maraming mga leaders ang akala nila natututo sila doon sa experience nila, but in reality they're not, because they're looking at things too quickly, no, without considering the delayed impact of those small problems and small changes. And finally, the myth of the management team. And I see this all the time, no? Mga managers who try to avoid conflict to maintain harmony, and as a result, they lose an opportunity for critical conversations that might lead to innovation. So, abangan nyo po yung iisa-isahin natin itong 7 learning disabilities of organizations na ito, and sundan nyo po yung susunod nating video.